In today's video, I'll teach you how to sync Google Calendar on Android. So if Google Calendar is not syncing on your Android device, you'll be able to sync it via the device settings. For that, launch Open Settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply scroll down. Now find this option for passwords and accounts and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see all the Google account over here. Simply tap on the specific Google account associated with your Google Calendar. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for account sync. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account sync interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find the option for calendar. Toggle this button on to ensure the auto sync is enabled. Now after you do that, you can see over here the Google Calendar has been synced. Now you'll not have to manually sync the Google Calendar every time. It will be automatically synced on your Android device. So that is how you sync Google Calendar on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.